Want your Excel data to stand out instantly? In this video, you'll learn how to master conditional formatting in Excel from the basics to advanced tricks. Whether you're a student, a busy professional, or just getting started with Excel in 2025, this guide will help you turn plain spreadsheets into powerful visual insights. Let's make your data not just smarter, but sharper, cleaner, and more impactful. Conditional formatting in Excel highlights key info instantly. No more scanning rows. Let Excel do the work and make your data speak for itself. Let's start with a simple conditional formatting example. Want to highlighting sales greater than $5,000? First, select the sales data from C2 to C11. Then go to the Home tab. Click on Conditional Formatting. Hover over Highlight Sales Rules and choose greater than. Type 5,000. And pick a formatting style, like green fill with white text, to make those high-performing numbers stand out at a glance. Now click OK. Instantly you can spot who's exceeding expectations. Want to spot high, medium, and low values instantly? Use color scales in conditional formatting. Just select your sales data. Go to the Home tab. Click Conditional Formatting. Then choose Color Scales. Pick a gradient like green, yellow, red. Where green highlights the highest values, yellow marks the middle, and red flags the lowest. It's a powerful visual tool for dashboards, performance reviews, or any data that needs quick insight. Now let's level up with an advanced conditional formatting rule using a formula. Start by adding a new column labeled Target next to our sales data. To highlight sales that fall short of the target, first select cells C2 to C11. Go to the Home tab. Click Conditional Formatting. Then choose New Rule. Select Use a formula to determine which cells to format. Enter this formula, equals C2 less than D2. This checks if the sales value is less than the target. Now, apply a red fill with white text to make it stand out clearly. And click OK. Just like that, Excel will automatically flag any underperforming sales. Need to catch duplicate values fast? Excel makes it effortless. Just select your data range. Go to the Home tab. Click Conditional Formatting. Then highlight Sales Rules and choose Duplicate Values. Pick a formatting style like light red fill and hit OK. Perfect for cleaning up messy data, spotting errors, or validating entries with ease. Want to visualize performance directly in a cell? Use data bars. First, select your numeric data. Go to Conditional Formatting, then Data Bars. Choose a gradient or solid fill. Now you have built-in bar charts inside each cell. Always keep conditional formatting clear and purposeful. Use formulas for dynamic rules, and pair with filters or pivot tables for smarter insights. Now it's your turn. Try these formatting tricks on your own data and watch the magic happen. Which tip was new to you? Drop a comment below. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell for more Excel tips, only on Easy Click Learning. See you next time.